Fellow Nigerians, I dey greet everybody, those wey dey for home and those wey dey in diaspora. I dey greet una. I say may God bless all Nigerians anywhere where you dey. May God bless you. May God grant your heart's desire, no matter what you dey do. As long as you dey look for your green pasture, may your green pasture no pass you. Better thing where you dey cry for, God go let am reach you. As we continue this exercise of prayer, the prayer what we don set, say we go pray for Nigeria from on the 20th of November to on the 30th of November, every day, 6 to 12. We say we go dey pray, we go dey fast, we go dey pray for Nigeria. We dey ask for God's blessings, God's open door, God's intervention for this country. We need the best for our country. As we all get single dream what we dey dream, and the single dream wey tie all of us together, now make we get country where we go proud of. A country where we go call our own. A country where we all go get peace. A country where we go dey safe. A country where life and properties go dey secure. Now this kind of country we all dey pray. Country where we say we go, at least we go enjoy good road, good water, good healthcare center, good education. Because all these things where our country lack, my brothers and sisters, we don't discover this in our wickedness in our country. Something dey wrong somewhere. But those things where they wrong, many people know the great talker. Now we say for this our program, we're going to talk everything we go make Nigeria good. We dey serve as a pressure group to the government. We dey checkmate every government. And now make we say this group now be the Nigeria Rise Initiative, the people's voice. All Nigerians, they come together for this our platform. People from in diaspora, people from home, hundreds of people every day they join this program to make sure say we checkmate our government now. Because the time don't reach where we say our people we go to talk. We don't keep silent for a long time. Now make this country be like this. Now we say no. This time, the citizens of Nigeria, not be talk for backyard. We go talk and we go do what we talk. Not be talk today, tomorrow we go take a bribe. We no go talk again. No, we say we go to talk the truth for this country and make sure say what we talk, we go do them. My brothers and sisters, 900s of people that they join Nigeria Rise Initiative. This initiative now the voice of the people, the voice of masses. Why we debut this voice? Because we don't discover say power belongs to the masses, and we say we go to talk the truth for this our group. Thank you very much. And for those of you that will never join us, make una try join us now. Join us with this number +601 135 483 733. Again, +601 135 483 733. And for those of you who never join us for this prayer, then make una start with us. Today na the second day we dey pray for God's intervention for this country. We no want war. We no want trouble. We want peace for this country. We want better things to take place in this country. We need a good government. Government will go understand us, and government will go understand. Now this kind of government now we need. Now say all Nigerians make una pray. Make una pray. Pray for this country, and God will help us. My brothers and sisters, my name is Sir Wetson Henry Chukwudi, the president of Nigeria Rise Initiative worldwide. This initiative, the initiative of peace, we know they find trouble, but we don't dedicate our life and our time. Say anything will be truth for this country, we go to talk. There are some truths where people know they great talk. They live on. But those things they join, they spoil this country. And we they neglect those things. Now we say for this our program, we're going to talk all these truths. Hundreds of people, they support this our program. Why? Because they don't discover, they learn many things where they don't know for this our program. Because the truth, not truth. Truth, not life. Truth, they save. Truth, not the only gateway for us to achieve a better Nigeria. So make una join us for this truth program. Thank you very much. We don't want anybody wey go lead our youth into action. Unprepared war. We don't want am. Many people, they jump from different corners. They come outside. They motivate you to motivate youth. They define war. The thing where they pay me pass for all these people, be say, if they create the problem finish, then we create the problem go dey safe. Now poor people, they die. Those people who create the problem know how to escape. But you see, poor people go they die. And if they pay me in my heart well, they pay me for inside mind well. Why poor people know they get sense? Person no get money, no mean say no supposed to get sense. I beg every youth, make una calm down. Make we use leg, find waiting fall inside water. And by the grace of God, we go see am. Me, I dey beg all youths, make we use our sense to achieve what we want to achieve. Today, I want to talk about some people. Their character no good. I named some people for our yesterday broadcast. Say I go talk about them. Now one I go dey pick and they talk, they go. But today I want to talk about two people. And these two people, they do something no good. And that's what they do. Feel leads to big violence. Number one person, na Sowore. My brothers and sisters, for the fact say we dey vex for Nigeria, say our government no good. We no need radical president. We no need person who go come outside as a youth aspirant. They motivate you to make you to go fight. We no need them. You dey motivate youth into action. We no need all those kind of things. Sowore no fit rule Nigeria. Sowore dey arrogant. Sowore no get respect. All this is what they do now. Now wayo, make I tell Nigeria people the truth. Sowore don dey inside government for a long time. Sowore no be new person for politics. Sowore na mask. Na APC wear Sowore to come take deceive Nigeria people. Sowore making relax. And the truth that they tell now. Make una leave Sowore for now. Leave am, no vote for am. All these things when they do no make sense at all. It no make sense. Sowore no they go anywhere. Now to come scatter vote, na APC they send them. Those of una way no Sowore well. Make una tell yourself truth. Sowore, where from they come? Sowore na Tinubu boy. Tinubu na the leader of APC. Now Sowore join play the jingle where they take the throne good luck. Sowore collect big money. Today, if they carry youth up and down, they take it back. Now force. Now so they do take it back. Take it back. Sowore no get blind. Sowore no get blind. And they tell Nigerian people the truth. All those things when they talk now, what things when you no go fit do. My brothers and sisters, make una put this one for our mind as Nigerians, good citizens of Nigeria. You no fit build new road if you scatter the old road. For you to build new road, you go first maintain the old road. When the old road don't maintain, now for that old road, they build new road. So that passerby go see where they pass first. So that passerbys go get area where they pass before you go build new road. Now I make I tell Nigerian people, make we know they use first, they jump into matter. Make we build the old road first. Then we gonna settle down to build new road. Sowore, stop all this arrogance. You are leading youth into violence. And if the violence start, you go fly come up for this country. You no go there for Nigeria with them. So make you stop all those things where you do. Sowore, stop all this arrogance. You are not the only youth party where the Nigeria gets. Stop all this your arrogancy. Stop it. It's not helping Nigeria at all. You know they give good influence to Nigerian people. Stop it. Another person who I want to talk about. Now our brother, our friend and our papa. Asari Dokubo. Asari Dokubo, make you relax your mind. Nigerian people know where you they come from. Even your ethnic people know where you they come from. Asari Dokubo, the time when you show power, where government pick you up. Today, who make you wetin you be? Now the same government make you wetin you be. Asari Dokubo, you dey point hand against northerners to provoke youth into war. Asari, make I ask you one question. Who make you wetin you be today? No be the same northerners. Asari Dokubo, take your time. Make you mind the way you dey talk. Make we wey be Nigeria, make we dey reason before we talk. Because we dey spoil many things, so many things now we dey spoil. Asari Dokubo, make we come tell ourselves the truth. For Isoko people, they be Alhaji. They be Alhaji. They don't be Alhaji. Asari Dokubo, tell yourself the truth. Alhaji, now the same title way the people where you they fight against the BL. Now they make you Alhaji way bring you out to public. Asari, stop provoking youths into actions. Asari Dokubo, make we tell our people the truth. When Nigeria government settle you, when Nigeria government give you millions of naira, say make you calm down, make you not talk again. Asari, that money you take and help your people. How many company Asari Dokubo you get for your own community? How many hospital you build for your community? How many healthcare center you build? But now your people name you, they fight that fight. Now they don't settle you. You can't travel, come on, go Africa country. Go build better investments for that for Benin. My brother, Asari, tell Nigerians, tell your people the truth. Time don't reach where we say we going to talk truth for this country. Now me I say make I beg all Nigerians. There are some people we go to talk. Make una not just carry violence. They carry, they shout. Say because this person don't talk, una go do like that. No. No. Make una relax una mind. Some of these people where they carry violence, they raise now. My brother, their own life don't settle. Now poor people, they die. Poor people. Now poor innocent people, then they die. I beg Nigerians. We no want war. War no be better thing. Even though you won't fight war, at least they prepare for it. Nigerians, make we not do what we not prepare for. Make we take our leg, find waiting fall inside water, no be head. I dey beg Nigerian people. Make we wake up from our sleep and do waiting they right. Nigerian people, now beg I used to beg all Nigerians say, time don't reach. This Muhammad Buhari, some say don't die. Some say never die. Me, I stand in the motion say Muhammad Buhari will not see today, never die. Muhammad Buhari na still Muhammad Buhari. But to cancel all this argument wey dey for ground, me I dey beg all Nigerians say, make we agree say the man don't die. Make we agree say the man never die. But the most important thing when Nigeria is supposed to do now waiting, vote him out. Make we live whether I don't die, he no die. Waiting the important now. Vote him out. The thing I tell you yesterday, now they tell you today. We need a strong antivirus to conquer the virus of APC. The only antivirus wey dey market now, and only one now remain for market, and that one antivirus will remain na PDP. Make we carry PDP, push APC comot for now. That one not stop us not to start planning as the people's voice. We will not get chance to re-strategize. Now focus again. They look this PDP with our eye. If PDP still mess up, we go rise up as the people's voice. We go push PDP down. Now the truth that they tell you now. Until the people of Nigeria begin to do things the right way, we no go get better country. So I beg us, the thing where we all need to do now, let us vote at Muhammad Buhari, vote at APC. No second chance for APC. APC have no way to go. Let us all as Nigerians hold our hands together to save this country. Because problem with this country now, we all cause make we all save them. Everybody, stand up on your ground. Take your PVC. Vote at Muhammadu Buhari. Whether I don't die, whether I never die, make we vote and come out first. Make we come look and well. Because if you see there, we no go feel look and well. Power go dey cover am. Make we now vote and come out. Nigerians, vote at Muhammadu Buhari. So that we go breathe out again, start afresh. It go help us start afresh. Nigerian people, we need a good government. Government of the people. We need a government that will serve the people. Not government that will control the people. No, we need a government we go understand, say, in a leader and leader now for service. Muhammadu Buhari, enough is enough. Everybody join us on this movement. Say, Buhari must go. Buhari, pack your load and go. Pack your load and go. Pack your load and go. Nigeria say, Buhari, oh, pack your load and go. Buhari, pack your load and go. Buhari, pack your load and go. Nigeria say, Muhammadu Buhari, oh, pack your load and go. PMB, pack your load and go. I say, pack your load and go. Nigeria say, I greet all Nigerians. As we all don't make up our mind to do good for this country, good no go leave us alone. May God bless all Nigerians. I beg all youth, make una no forget what I tell una. Put your head into work. Youth, no need for violence. Make we use sense to save this country. Violence, sense no day. May God bless una. Till tomorrow, we will hear from me again. Make una join our prayers tomorrow. We all go to pray to save this country. And this country go better. Soon we go celebrate country of our dream. God bless everybody.